This is the afternoon edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Monday, the 1st of February. James Spann here, and don't forget we're coming to Gadsden tomorrow night for the Severe Weather Awareness Tour across the state, Storm Alert 2010. We have a ball at those things. We hope to see you there if you live in Etowah, the surrounding counties. Let's take a look out the window. Not a bad day today, a partly sunny sky. There's the view coming from Tuscaloosa, looking east from the Tuscaloosa County Courthouse. Some high-level clouds overhead. Up in Decatur, the sky mostly cloudy. Those clouds up at about 20,000 feet, and from nearby Huntsville. There's a look at the mighty Saturn V rocket over at the Alabama Space and Rocket Center. Well, we've got a weak impulse coming our way that could squeeze out some light rain late tonight, but no big deal. The next major rain producer is due in here at the end of the week. And there's a look at our temperatures, mostly low 50s at 2 o'clock, or actually 1 o'clock. 52 for Birmingham, Anniston, and Gadsden. 40s up north, Haleyville. The cool spot, they've got 45. We note Montgomery only at 46 because they are mostly cloudy now. And around the nation, you can see temperatures are pretty seasonal. It is pretty cold up north. I see a sub-zero early afternoon reading up over northwestern Minnesota, but looks like most folks are about where they should be for this time of the year. And there's the rain coming at us. That's the Jackson, Mississippi NexRad. And you can see light rain falling over parts of north and western Mississippi, some of the eastern parishes of Louisiana. And we could see a little light rain tonight. Not much. Many spots probably not getting enough to measure, but maybe just a little bit. And look at that. Boy, the nation is quiet. You know, a week ago, we were getting set for that big winter storm with ice and snow along Interstate 40. Today, hardly any watches or warnings across the entire nation. That's good. There's the rain for the next 5 days. The heaviest rain on the Gulf Coast, really all the way around the Horn from Brownsville, Texas to Fort Myers, Florida. Here in Alabama, that's suggesting rain amounts of about 1 inch, and this is valid through Saturday morning at 6 o'clock, and the bulk of that, of course, will come with the system out there at the end of the week. We'll take a look. This is modeling. This is the 12Z GFS at noon tomorrow. The little impulse is on by, so we think any rain tonight will be over by 6 o'clock in the morning. Really, the main window for light rain would be about 9 o'clock tonight through 6 o'clock in the morning. That's midday tomorrow. Surface low sitting near Savannah, Georgia. All of that rain well to the east. So we should begin the day with some morning clouds, the sky becoming partly sunny, and highs low 50s, something like that, about average. Wednesday, we will be in between weather systems, so it looks like a nice sunny day with highs in the 50s. But on Thursday, southern branch, very active. There's the next trough down below. Surface low developing south of the Louisiana coast, and that looks pretty wet by midday Thursday. Heaviest rain initially over the southern half of the state, and more than likely that will be marching north Thursday night. And then Friday, the surface low jumps over to the Atlantic coast, and we stay in very deep moisture. So it looks like we'll have periods of rain Thursday night, and Friday. And again, this is all rain, no ice, snow, no flooding, no severe weather, just plain old rain. And then Saturday, as we kick off the weekend, the storm is gone. This is midday Saturday, suggesting it will be a day with a clearing sky, breezy and colder, a north wind, maybe highs only in the upper 40s with that 540 line nearby. And Sunday, the cold air deepens a bit. We might see a high only in the middle 40s on Sunday, but looks like the day should be bright and sunny, much like last Sunday or yesterday. And then Monday of next week, here comes that next impulse. And a week from tomorrow, a little light rain, maybe some light snow just north of here. And we'll kind of see how that whole thing plays out. Then a couple of days later on the 11th, here comes the next major Gulf storm. And again, that looks very wet, very similar to the system we're looking at the end of this week. And at the end of the month, the cycle, the 15th of the month, you can see kind of a split flow. The southern branch remains very active. There's the next storm down there with more rain with a Gulf low. And on the 17th, that system departs and we turn cold. Still no evidence in the operational GFS of a major Arctic blast, but again, the Arctic oscillation looks awfully suspicious with that strongly negative spike, so we'll be watching for potential for the gates to open up to the Yukon later this month. And as we have been saying all along here, winter is far, far from over. We're really just getting into it. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. And if you're local to us, we invite you to watch us on television this evening. ABC 3340 News in Birmingham at 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.
Each day, there are new stories to tell about the people who live here and the place we call home. sharing your stories on ABC 3340, Alabama's news leader.